Stark adjective. Severe or bare in appearance or outline. Example: the ridge formed a stark silhouette against the sky. Synonyms: sharply delineated, sharp, sharply defined, well-focused, crisp, distinct, obvious, evident. Antonyms: fuzzy, indistinct, pleasant, comfortable. Scathing adjective. Witheringly scornful, severely critical. Example: she launched a scathing attack on the Prime Minister. Synonyms: devastating, withering, blistering, extremely critical, coruscating, searing, scorching. Antonyms: mild, gentle, complimentary. Simultaneous adjective. Occurring, operating, or done at the same time. Example: a simultaneous withdrawal of troops. Synonyms: concurrent, happening at the same time, done at the same time, contemporaneous, concomitant. Antonyms: asynchronous. Peril, noun. Serious and immediate danger. Example: you could well place us both in peril. Synonyms: danger, jeopardy, risk, riskiness, hazard, insecurity, uncertainty, menace. Antonyms: safety, security. Dampen, verb. Make slightly wet. Example: the fine rain dampened her face. Unravel, verb. Investigate and solve or explain something complicated or puzzling. Example: they were attempting to unravel the cause of death. Synonyms: solve, resolve, work out, clear up, puzzle out, find an answer to, get to the bottom of. Antonyms: complicate. Erstwhile adjective. Former. Example: the erstwhile president of the company. Synonyms: former, old, past, one time, sometime, as was, ex, late, then, previous. Antonyms: present, future. Pristine adjective. In its original condition, unspoiled. Example: pristine copies of an early magazine. Synonyms: immaculate, in perfect condition, perfect, in mint condition, as new, unspoiled, spotless. Antonyms: dirty, sullied. Insidious adjective. Proceeding in a gradual, subtle way, but with very harmful effects. Example: sexual harassment is a serious and insidious problem. Synonyms: stealthy, subtle, surreptitious, sneaking, cunning, crafty, Machiavellian, artful. Antonyms: straightforward. Brazen adjective. Bold and without shame. Example: he went about his illegal business with a brazen assurance. Synonyms: bold, shameless, as bold as brass, brazen-faced, forward, presumptuous, brash. Antonyms: timid, shy. Contingent adjective. Subject to chance. Example: the contingent nature of the job. Synonyms: chance, accidental, fortuitous, possible, unforeseen, unforeseeable, unexpected. Antonyms: predictable. Equivocation, noun. The use of ambiguous language to conceal the truth or to avoid committing oneself. Prevarication. Example: I say this without equivocation. Synonyms: prevarication, vagueness, qualification, ambiguity, uncertainty, ambivalence, indecision. Antonyms: directness. Succumb, verb. Fail to resist pressure, temptation, or some other negative force. Example: we cannot merely give up and succumb to despair. Synonyms: yield, give in, give way, submit, surrender, capitulate, cave in, be overcome by. Antonyms: accept defeat, concede defeat. Antonyms: resist, defy. Imperative adjective. Of vital importance, crucial. Example: Immediate action was imperative. Synonyms: vitally important, of vital importance, all important, vital, crucial, critical, essential, of the essence. Antonyms: unimportant, optional. Eschew, verb. Deliberately avoid using, abstain from. Example: he appealed to the crowd to eschew violence. Synonyms: abstain from, refrain from, give up, forego, forswear, shun, renounce, swear off. Antonyms: partisan, noun. A strong supporter of a party, cause, or person. Example: partisans of the exiled Stuarts. Synonyms: supporter, follower, adherent, devotee, champion, backer, upholder, promoter. Antonyms: impartial, unbiased. Buoy, verb. Make someone cheerful and confident.